Hey, thanks for watching. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Svord Peasant Knife. Made in New Zealand. If you've been paying attention to any of the EDC forums, these knives are everywhere. High carbon steel, really just inexpensive as heck. I got the model with the polymer handles, which is really fancy talk for the cheapest plastic on the planet. As with all friction folders, there's no locking mechanism other than your hand. The blade can freely open and close. It's a high carbon blade. If you do not keep it old, it will rust. Let's take a look at the grind. It's not that bad. A lot of users have reported that it was very uneven. But this is the most basic thing on the planet that you can have and be called a knife. In all honesty, 300, 400 years ago, this was the pocket knife of the day. I purchased two of these with the intent of taking one of them and just pimping out the handles. Maybe doing steel liners, probably an all brass scale. Just kind of keep one to be ridiculous. Not a bad knife. It's very sharp for what it is. Very traditional. I love it, honestly. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch my channel. I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. I like my videos to be super short. I hate watching a review and they just drag on and on before they get to the information. So this is the knife. Have fun out there. Stay safe.